tips on how to shorten the dream line so you can go full-time in your RV faster. The things we do for YouTube, I think I have like 20 bug bites already.
We haven't even started recording yet.
Hi, I'm Tom, and I've been full-time in the RV for over 4 years now and love it.
I'm Cherie, and I've been full-time in the RV for 1 year and love it.
So how do you shorten the timeline or your dream line to go RV living full-time faster? Here's the first tip, is put every expense in your life on trial for its life.
If you had to live on less, how would you do it? Could you do it?
For example, if you lost your job and you had to live on what resources you had available at the time, how long could you stretch that out?
What would you sell?
Yeah, make a list of all the things that are non-essential and start selling those now. You can't take that stuff with you, or most of it with you, when you go full-time.
Nope. One thing you can do is scan all your photos. You don't need to keep a bunch of physical photos with you. Scan all your photos, make them digital. You can also read books online. You don't need to have physical books.
Yeah, you can donate those books to a library. And all of this extra stuff that you have, if you've got more time to sell it, you'll get a higher dollar for it rather than selling it quickly like you have a few times, right?
We both have different experiences with this. Twice I have sold everything. When I moved from Virginia Beach to Florida, I sold all of my household, and I sold it within a month. When I decided to go full-time in the RV, I went to Destin and sold everything in 2 weeks. It can be done. I've done it.
Wow, that's awesome. Another thing that you can do to help increase your intention on this is just imagine that you or maybe a friend needed emergency surgery. It was going to cost maybe $20,000 and it was not covered by insurance.
How would you come up with that money in a pinch? How would you do it?
That will set your mindset to how would you create that income and what would you cut? Like, you have a great example around cell phones, right?
Oh, yeah. I went through a hard time one point in my life and needed to cut everything I could to the bone. I got rid of my cell phone plan, but then I found an alternative. It was a Google phone, and I was able to take phone calls and get voicemail when I had Wi-Fi. Otherwise, I could leave a voicemail. So it acted like a phone. I could use my apps when I had Wi-Fi. You can go to the Starbucks and use your app. So I didn't really miss out on that, but of course, it's a little inconvenient, but when you have to do it, you can do it. I've done it. I got rid of the newspaper, I got rid of cable, I got rid of all the non-essentials.
Now, this is tip number 2.
That's right. You can find additional income. There's all kinds of ways. You can get a part-time job to supplement your income.
Maybe contract work or online work, maybe sell things that you make if you're crafty. Can you be a consultant or a coach in a topic? Do you have a second language skill? There are some websites that allow you to teach people across on the other side of the planet.
That's right. I think it's called Palfish, actually. I have a friend that uses it.
Yeah.
There's so many different ways, especially with the internet access we have these days. The possibilities are endless.
If you can just increase your income by maybe $100 a week, That's $400 a month that you can put toward saving toward this goal. And that is tip number two. Tips on how to shorten the dream line so you can go full-time in your RV faster. Now we're at tip number 3.
Number 3. Yep, start saving now.
Yeah, let's say that you need to come up with a $5,000 or $10,000 down payment for your RV. Using the tips we've said before, how fast can you do that? I think you can do it faster than you think.
That's right.
If you put your intention behind it. Or maybe you're gonna do cash and you're gonna look on Craigslist or some other classified ads for maybe a gently used RV or maybe well-used RV if you're kind of handy.
And you can have fun fixing it up.
Yeah, you can find an RV for very little money.
Yes.
$5,000 to $10,000 will buy something
That's right.
that you can start RVing in. And it doesn't have to be the RV you're gonna have forever. Maybe you just get your feet wet for a couple of years, and as you have the funds available later, because you're gonna save so much money living full-time in your RV that you'll be able to maybe invest in something nicer in the future. So that's tip number 3, is you can start saving today.
Right now.
But we have a bonus tip to share with you today.
That's right. Make a vision board. It puts your intention out there and you focus on it every day, and it makes you get there faster. You had a great idea for something to put on a vision board.
Yeah, also known as a dream board. But look at this picture right here. I know it's a video, but pull out your iPhone, your smartphone, take a picture of us right now with Cathedral Rock right in the background. If this is a goal of yours to do while you're traveling or RVing full time, then you can just take a picture of us and then take a picture of yourself and put your face
in front of ours, so you can picture yourself in this spot right here in Sedona. It is amazing.
Yeah, and so you can put these pictures up on a wall or a tag board, whatever you want, and just pictures of amazing places you want to visit wherever they are.
You can make it a screensaver on your phone, so every time you pick up your phone, you're seeing it.
Yes, and watch videos about RV living full time. There's other YouTube channels out there. You can watch ours, of course, and even repeat them. The more you immerse yourself in this lifestyle, it's going to make your intention even higher.
And stronger.
And it will happen for you. That's exactly what I did. And it maybe took a little bit of time, and if it takes more than 6 months, that's okay if it takes a couple of years, but keep your intention on what you want to create in your life, and it's going to happen. So if you make a vision board or dream board, we want to see it.
That's right. You can share it on our Facebook group. We would love to see it, and I think others would love to see it as well.
Yeah, there's a link below in the description, and you'll be able to join our Facebook group today.
If you have tips on how to go full-time RVing faster, please share that below.
Or if you are full-time right now, and share with us how fast you were able to do it once you made the decision.
And what are your top tips on that?
Where's the photo bombers?
I know, we always have photo bombers. Where are they? The mosquitoes are the photo bombers.
I guess so.
Oh
my gosh, the bugs.
I know.
Cherie, you just...
What? What's so funny? You look at me and you laugh.
Yeah, I think so.
One thing you can do is digitize? What's the word?
Yeah, if you had a mosquito biting you right on the forehead, what would you do? You would kill it just like that.
This is getting so bad.
Yeah, they're like...
I know, I saw they were swarming in your face. It's like, back the off, mosquitoes.
If you remember in the last few videos, we were getting our asses chewed. If you remember... And
then, when I decided to go, you have a mosquito on your head? Yeah, so the first time I've done it.